Before you start with the course, I wanted to show you the game that we are going to create. And the name of this game is Street Shoot. And if I run it, we have a nice main menu. We can click here on the balls and select one of these balls. And we can go back and I'm going to show you how can we do all of this. If I go on play, we have here the balls count showing us how many balls we have. And notice now if I drag the ball, we have a projectile path predicting where the ball is going to go. Notice now here at the balls count, if I shoot the ball, we are going to decrement it by 1. We also hear that we have nice sound effects. And if I make it to the basket now with our ball, we are going to increment our ball count. So we see here that I have incremented the ball by 1. Notice now when I shoot, the ball count is going to go to 8. And if I make the basket, then we are going to increment our balls. If I hit the net, which is this one right here, if I hit it before I hit any of the rams here or the table, we are going to increment 2 balls to the user. Otherwise, we are going to increment only 1 ball. So notice now, I have hit the net without touching the rams and I have now 10 balls. We can also go back here and I can select another ball. So let's say I want the red one. So simply click on it, go back, and here in our play, we now have the red ball and I can shoot it. So again, shooting the ball, we hear nice sound effects and we have incremented our balls count. And we also fade out our ball nicely. So notice now when the ball hits the ground, it fades out now nicely and calls our game manager to create another ball. So this is a really nice game, especially that we are going to detect our touch and the drag and how can we apply the force on our ball based on that. And as you see, we have our path calculating the projectile path of our ball and where our ball is going to go. So again, shooting, and we have our balls count incremented. So this is a really nice game, which I'm looking forward to show you how can you create it, and I'm sure that you are looking forward to learn how to create it. So without further ado, continue with the course and learn how to create this game.